How to see more mature content on Instagram 18+. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to adjust the sensitive content settings on Instagram. First, open the Instagram app and go to your profile. Tap the three-line menu in the top right corner. Now, tap Settings and Activity. Scroll down and look for Content Preferences. Tap Content Preferences, then look for Sensitive Content. If the option is available on your account, you can choose how much sensitive content you want Instagram to show you. Select More if that option is available, and follow the instructions on the screen. Keep in mind that Instagram does not allow users to view all adult or sexually explicit content. Some content is restricted or removed regardless of this setting. Also, if you don't see the sensitive content option, it may not be available for your account because of your age, location, or Instagram's current restrictions. And that's it. This is how you can adjust the sensitive content settings on Instagram and see more content that Instagram allows for your account. If this helps you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more Instagram tutorials. See you in the next one.